So what is on your mind though? I come to show me love. So now that then I'm coming over here to show some love. Still I'm over here to end, you know I'm cutting up. Now you cutting up and some of people cut some butter. Still I'm over here to, but you know I'm not no other. Other people talking about the baby doing this. Now I'm over here to saying that yes, I'm owning this. I'm coming over here to coming to you like a man. People telling man, do you know I understand? Understand the struggle is a real for some. Still coming over here, but still I'm giving some. Trying to show you love, trying to give you energy. People telling you that now you still cool with me. Now that I say what is going down, people telling me better turn around. Looking for the positive, leave the bed behind. Still I'm over here to say it, dang it, it's your time, let's go. Still I come and show me love to you. People telling me do you love to you. Coming over here, show me love to you. Yes, I'm coming over with the love to you. Yes, I'm coming over with the love to you. People telling me with the love to you. Still coming over with the love to you. But yes, I'm talking about with the love to you. Now that the people trying to go and shut you down. Still over here, don't turn the frown down. Turn the other way till you get up now. Everybody's over here to shout out. Swoop like me, just swooping on the people. Everybody talking about it, yes, I love my people. And I see my miss, I eat Isha in the house. Yes, I'm over here showing love from the south. Yes, I sing your name, put your name on a song. Song over here to say I'm showing love on song. Songs over here to say that yes, you do belong. Belong to over here, but still you get it on. Even though they want